going. Great, I got your butt.
Ryan could do that.
And I got your butt again.
You're standing on your neck.
Pull up your pants. I can see your butt.
Oh, stop.
You want down on your head?
Okay.
Pull up your pants. I can see your butt, Robin.
We got a winner. Got him?
Yeah, I got it.
Okay, got it.
Robbie, I can see your butt. Stand up and pull up your
It's
pants.
supposed to be my video.
Seriously, stand up and pull up your pants. I can see your butt. There you go.
Help Ray out. Ready, Ray? I hope.
You don't want to be helped.
I hope. I hold your leg. You want to stand on your head?
You okay?
Good.
There you
No.
go, brother.
Put the bit.
Dude, I'm only gonna help you.
Well, I need something.
Take Ryan down first. Honey,
Hey, what matters? This better? That better?
I was on my head.
I'm gonna sit on it.
you better put him down. Take him down.
Ready?